Hello everyone, this is Kevin Liu in the IT department. This is the first video of two videos that I'm going to record just to show you how to approve, review the invoice using a new checklist template. Alright, so let's get started. This is the first video. What I have is the email I got from the accounts payable for my new invoice just came in. Now with this email, you will see that your instructions right here is a little different from the previous version of a template we're using. Basically, we're going to apply for the reviews. We're going to actually apply the review rubber stamp, and for the approve, you're going to using the same as before. So primarily it's going to be different for the reviewers only. Alright, let's get to it. So you want to click on the link here, open up the browser. Alright, let me just adjust the screen a little bit here. Okay, so now see the difference with this one is that it has the PDF version of the checklist rather than what you see before, which is Excel based. And the advantage of using the PDF is that actually it renders faster, it has a better performance, it's much stabler for review and approve, and also it does not cause any conflict with your Excel programs on the computer. So this is a better way for us to going forward, and hopefully you're gonna like this. Now to review this checklist, what you need to do is to apply the actual pre-made rubber stamp, this icon right here. You click on the icon. Now you get the list of all the rubber stamps. Now you will see that I actually have a couple more now for you to choose. You have a checklist, that's a no for a particular checklist item, and there's a yes stamp for the checklist, so you can choose whichever one you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose yes and I click on OK. Now you'll see the cursor is changed to RS, which is a rubber stamp. Now I'm just gonna do the usual what I would do with the checklist, and this is a portion I usually filled out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the rubber stamp by click on that space right here. You see that how that goes. Alright, so that's really simple and straightforward, right? So if you made a mistake, for example, you can apply the eraser, or you can even, there's a couple ways to do it. There's also undo button right here, okay, and there's also the eraser, so you can use either one of this. So I'm going to choose an eraser and click on that right here. Okay, so that's how you get rid of a rubber stamp or any actual annotations for that matter. Alright, I'm gonna reapply this just for demo purposes. Now if you want to add a comments, you can do it here. Go to this icon, this little T icon here. You have a balloon help which says text. That's where you can actually add in your comments. This is my comments. Alright. Now if you want to do something fancy with this text, you can also do something like, okay, this is other comments, and I can go on to the advanced, and I pick as font size. I can change the color. Alright, so once you've done that, you'll see that shows up on the page as well. Okay, so now the PO matching, what you would do is to do the same thing as before. You go on to click on the text icon, and you can choose a PO number and field, type in your PO. Okay, that's just example here. Now you notice that actually the text boxes gets you know, unselected again, so you would have to go to select that again and go to the PO number 9 1. Okay, enter amount $600. Alright. Okay, so this is how you fill the checklist page. And one more thing before you're finishing with this page is to apply the review rubber stamp. So I'm going to go and click on more rubber stamps and choose review by. Okay, so click on that. I can put it on top of the page right here. Okay, so that's how you do rubber stamp with the checklist page. Lastly, there's an icon for saving, so you can click on this to save the changes, and now you're finished with this. Alright, so just exit it out. Alright, so that's how you do the actual reviews for the invoice. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me at extension 209 or email me. Happy to help you. And if you're interested, you can watch the second series of this video, which is essentially how to approve the invoice. Thank you. Bye.